numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are numbers that we can experience in our real world. This real world that we are, those numbers that we can feel, that we can experience, those numbers that we can use in our daily transaction, in our everyday life, they are known as real numbers. And like I divided it before, real numbers can be broken into rational numbers and irrational numbers. I have divided this in previous video. And under rational numbers, I told you about fractions and decimals. Then I said under this we have integers. We have whole numbers. Next we have natural numbers. I have talked about all of these in previous videos. So all of these are all real numbers. So another way of defining real numbers is to say that real numbers are numbers that can be represented on a number line. So if I draw a number line like this, 0 is always at the center of the number line. All the numbers to the right of 0 are positive. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and it continues like that. While all the numbers to the left of 0 are negative. We have -1, -2, -3, and so on. If you look at between two real numbers, there are millions and uncountable, in fact, infinite numbers we have in between two real numbers. For example, between 0 and 1. Some people will think after 0 it is 1. After 1 it is 2. No. That's if you are talking about the next integer after 1, that is 2. The next integer after 2, that is 3. But if you want to determine the next number after 2, it's not something you can determine. Because after 1, if you have to talk about real numbers, we still have 1.1, 1.01, 1.001, 1.00001. So you can't determine the number that is next to 1, that is real number. So it's not easy to determine. So it means between two real numbers, we have infinitely many numbers. But all of these numbers that we have here, all of them, both rational and irrational, they all fit into this real number line. All of them are inside this number line. You will find them on the number line. So all of these can be represented on the number line. That's why we call them real numbers. They are all real numbers. Numbers that does not enter into this real number line are imaginary number or complex number, which I'm going to deal with in the next video. Thank you.